What's up, fellow traders? Monday's done. Today was a little interesting. If you've been following my blog before this shakeout, under 8,000 down to 6,500, I've been pointing out this 78.80 mark. If you look at the day chart, we battled it pretty good today. We moved up off of it. If I was long, I would have liked that. Still would have been a little cautious with the light volume, but we did find support on the 78.80. Could this been the pullback? Yeah, it could have. I mean, that 78.80 is huge. I've stated that before. I'm just not liking the volume. I definitely don't like how it moved through the pivot point I showed. On light volume, I showed that pivot point last night. It's definitely looking more like a top. I'm going to grab the camera here and show you what's going on. Basic stuff again. What we've been looking at. We've moved a little higher though, so we've hit this double nut resistance. As far as my trades, I still have my FAS. I dumped it at 17.10 today and picked it back up at 16.80. I'm not going to up my position until it hits 12 in case we get some kind of rally. I'm just going to ride what I have up into the 20s. We're just at a crucial point right now. They're playing with us. Them finding that support on the 78.80 is getting a lot of rookies confused. The volume's not there, and floating up through that pivot point's not good. You need conviction when those key resistance levels are broken, and that did not happen. So let me grab this camera and just go over this real quick. I'm going to wrap this up quick tonight. I've been going over this. The October low where we bounced around, we found support. I draw a straight line across that. We dinked it Friday, sold off. We closed on it yesterday. Last night on the futures, we were actually fluttering above it, which was good. Didn't hold it. Couldn't even make it back to it today. Couldn't even make yesterday's close today. And the volume was just lame. There's basically no conviction. The big boys don't believe it. Neither do I. And now we got this downtrend line that's come into play because we've moved up. So now we got our double nut. I'm definitely feeling confident this is the end of our run. I don't even think 875 is going to be touched. If it does, it's going to be because of some insane news that they're just rallying on something else the administration says. As far as the market, the volume, it's not happening. We're definitely going back down to this 50-day here, and that's where you got to decide, is that a double touch on the 50-day before a run up to 950, 1,000? We'll decide that at that time. I'm definitely looking for the market to move down lower from here. If it fluffs up, it's going to be temporarily. Hope you've been taking profits on your longs, and good luck.